We're gonna head down. Oh, after the waterfall.
Large eyes.
Yeah, Google's camera actually had a lot more editing functions than Apple's does.
But it's live. That's what's messed up to me is that, you see it before you even take the picture.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's a live, I don't know if it's a Snapchat-like thing or
yeah,
not.
that's probably what it is.
So like when I picked large eyes, I saw that my eyes didn't get like grossly large like Snapchat seems to do.
Yeah.
But it's definitely putting a focus and emphasis on my eyes. Or one was slimming the face, so instantly it took a couple seconds to kick in, and the next thing I know, my face is a little skinnier.
Nice.
Not grossly. You wouldn't know it unless you saw it.
Where you are, we're doing the Twins Fall Circuit.
And there it goes back that way to the bigger circuit again. Cool.
Oh, okay, so if we went that way,
Yeah.
we'd be going 16 kilometers. This way we're going 7. Okay.
The Rainbow Falls. We are missing one waterfall by not doing a long one, but the long
Are
one.
we?
Something called Rainbow Falls.
That, I think, is that big waterfall that we saw.
Oh, that's the big one.
But I don't know that either one of us is ready to do 16 kilometers. Really? Look at this. So you've got, it's falling off the rocks up there. This place is awesome.
Yeah, I think we're half a kilometer this way.
Let's go. If that's the big one. If that's the big one, shit.
I'm assuming that's the big one. It's another one, I'll put it that way. Rainbow Falls, half kilometer.
Let's go.
Tag along.
They did say this one was a little trickier. Should be interesting with my fear of heights. It's nothing though over the left.
Assuming this is a switchback.
Yeah. Unless Rainbow Falls is where we just came from.
No, that was a different one on that picture.
Because if we're doing these, we came down a different set of switchbacks.
Yeah, definitely.
Here, look at all the...
I didn't take a picture of it.
Of what?
That last map.
You have signal?
I have